How to fix TikTok privacy settings. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix the TikTok privacy settings, you usually need to adjust your account's visibility or interactions permission within the app settings menu. So if certain options are grayed out or restricted, it is often due to an incorrect date of birth or profile, which can be appealed as well. So for that, just want to launch open the TikTok onto your device. And here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto the profile at the very bottom right, and then you want to go to the menu or the menu bar at the very top right. After which, select settings and privacy from the list and just go to privacy section. So this is a page where you could go ahead and toggle the button or interactions, comment and all that. And this is basically where you will be able to manage or fix your TikTok privacy settings. After you've done this, you could also go ahead and open up settings on your device, and there you want to go to the app section, locate TikTok, and you could go to permission. This is also the page where you can manage your privacy sections. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.